Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Amber with Creative Journey, and I am here today to show you the fastest Bible journaling entry ever. Do you ever want a Bible journal but you don't have a lot of time? Then this is for you. Today, you're going to see that I'm using Apple Barrel paint as well as Mondo Llama paint. The Apple Barrel I get from Walmart for like 50 cents a tube, and the Mondo Llama comes from Target. All right, let's washi tape off our verse, and let's get started. Now, I did make a little bit of an error. When I washi taped off my verse, I kind of ripped my page, so I just took some Tombow liquid glue and taped it back on. Let's grab a credit card or a gift card, put a little bit of paint on it, and then you are just going to swipe up. It's going to give a very opaque look. It does soften the colors of your paint some, which I chose these paints because it's going with a very specific fabric clip that you'll see at the very end of the video. Between each of my layers, I do take a heat gun to it. By doing this, it really speeds up the process, especially if you're in a hurry. I think this entire page maybe took me 20 minutes, which is super fast considering my other pages. All right, I've heat gunned it and I'm moving on to my next color. By heat gunning it, it's not going to allow the colors to mix and make it muddy. So I put this on and I'm going to bring the heat gun back in and dry it all up. Now, because I am making this coordinate a very specific clip that I'm going to use, I'm going to pull in some navy. I'm also going to come in with some navy oxides here in a minute, but I'm really just swiping some little tiny stripes on the corners of my page. Next, we're going to go on to lettering. I'm grabbing my distressed oxide, I'm getting my clear acrylic stamping block, and I'm going to be using some sweet and sassy clear stamps today. These are alpha letters. And what I want it to say is, the Lord's plans will prevail. So I'm going to speed through this, and this is the end. At the very end of the video, I'm going to give you a final look at the page. All right, we're at the very end, and I'm going to add my cute little fabric clip, which I am going to show you in an upcoming video. And then I'm just shimmering up my verse. This is called a Wink of Stella pen. It adds a little bit of shimmer. All right, here is a final look at the Bible journaling entry we created today. Proverbs 19:21 says, "Many are the plans in a man's heart, but it is the Lord's purpose that prevails." You guys, I've had so much fun making this quick tutorial for you. I cannot wait to see what you create. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I love seeing your Bible journaling. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment below. Let me know if you have questions. Is there something specific you're wanting to learn? Let me know, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.